What's up, everybody? We are going to work. It's going to be part 2, and I'm going to work on this commercial unit. Straight away, I'm going to focus on this section, and I will show you where the fault is. This board is quite big. Okay, so hope you can see my screen. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I'm just zooming in. That's much better. Okay, so now I'm going to move the board around because this guy I want it still. I want it in the same distance. So this chip, I'm just losing focus a little bit. Okay, this is good. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to replace one chip, and I'm going to check this area right here. I will show you what I'm looking at. Let me just go back. Okay, this chip looks fine. Let's go to, there you go, this one. Okay, I'm back now, and as you can see, this chip right there, I have to secure this camera. It doesn't want to stay in the same place for some reason. I don't know why. But you can see, I'm just gonna take my pen and I will show you. You see this? I have some hair on it, or dust. You can see this leg right here is burned out. So this chip needs to be replaced for sure. So one problem found. Now let's keep going. So usually what I recommend to do, if you find a fault or if you find a problem, you want to mark it, same like I've done in a previous video. So just don't mark it on, because I will need the what do you call it, the numbers from it. Just mark it somewhere on the side so you know that this is where the problem is. Now if we're gonna keep going, so one problem we found, this board is super big. Yeah, this chip looks okay. Everything here looks decent. There's no problems I can't see. All those small circuits. Usually when anything like that burned out, I think this is a diode. I can check. Sometimes it's a diode, sometimes it's a resistor, so we'll have to check what it is. Yeah, those chips are good. This bridge is good. Transistors, everything looks good. There's usually also the transistors too, right here. I'll take the other tool that I have to show you guys a little bit better. Where is it? How's that? Much better, right? Okay, so here everything looks good. This transistor looks good. This looks like some sort of contact with 6 legs. Yeah, so this guy looks good too. The soldering points are good too from each side. There's no problems. I don't see any issues here on this side. Also on the other side I don't see anything. This transistor, I don't think it's burned. No, it's good too. Yeah, all those small circuits, usually when there is any burn or any fault, you will see some black marks. Like those components are quite weak, so you will see like a burning mark or like a hole inside or something like that. So those components, they all good. Let's go to here, and this is the other problem we have here. Okay, as you can see, I'm not sure what's going on with my microscope here, but okay. So here we have a little issue. As you can see, there's burning marks here on this leg. Now this is like a double sandwich board, so it looks like I'm gonna have to check each component here. This chip, I think it looks fine. Again, I don't know what's inside of it. I don't think there is also any names on it. There's some number here on the side. Maybe I'm gonna be able to find this little circuit. But I think what we have here is most likely just maybe this component is faulty. I will check everything, but maybe just need some cleanup and maybe some soldering to make it look good, like this side. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Everything else looks fine here. Let's just test. I have a little concern with this component right here and this one. Just those two, they look, because they're closer to the burning, so I hope it didn't fail. But if this component fails, it's no problem. I can replace it, or this one too. Let's see. Let's first test this guy. Yeah, so this is a resistor, and it has 155 ohms. So this resistor is good. Let's check this guy right here. And this is a resistor as well. It's 1468 kilo ohms. So those resistors are still good. How about this guy? $36.45 kilo ohms. Yeah. Yeah, this is all resistors. How about this one? They put some insulation on it. There you go. 20.63 kilo ohms. Yeah, that's good too. Oh, this has 0.813 mega ohms. Maybe this one is not really good. Let's see. No, 52.10 kilo ohms. Yeah, so I checked all those resistors on this side where you have the burning marks, and they all tested good. Let's continue to test this guy right here. Yeah, you see the numbers, 1132 on it, and it's 1129. So this one's good. Let's see this guy. Yeah, there's some insulation on it. That's why we see the mega ohms. Let me catch it. 520 kilo ohms. Yeah, this resistor is good too. This guy is 177.6 kilo ohms. So far, all this section right here is good. Let's test this guy right here. Well, I think I already tested, but let's just double check. 408.5 kilo ohms. Yeah, this one's good. How about this guy? Okay, this one looks like a fuse. Sorry. 49.92. Perfect. What about this one? 999 kilo ohms. Yeah, everything here is pretty much good. This board is a lucky one. This one is 38.42. Yeah, all those components are good. I hope this chip, like I'm not sure what kind of chip it is. I can check it out, but there's no mark. So I hope this chip is good. Okay, this, as you can see, there's nothing on the chip, so it's really hard to say. All those legs, see underneath, they look good, so there's no burning marks here. All those resistors on this board are good. I'm gonna clean this and I'm gonna put fresh solder here. Okay. So this is pretty much all the faults that I can see on the board. So there is this little section that I have to work on. I'm going to first clean it, see how bad it is, and then I will put some solder. Maybe I don't even need to, but we'll see. Then this is this cheap, and I'm gonna do some research as well on it. I'll keep you posted, because like I said to the customer, this board will take maybe a week or so to repair it, because I don't want to rush on it, and also I want to make sure that I'm doing a good job. As you can see, this leg is definitely separated. So the good thing is I can see the part number on this, so I can resource it. Hopefully I can get it somewhere, and I'm not sure how much this component still. So this video probably gonna be either 3 or 4 parts. This is the second part. The third part will be me probably either explaining you guys how I find those components online, or it's gonna be the final part with repairs. So far I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will tell you what needs to be done here. I need to replace this chip. This is the part number. I need to clean this mess right here and possibly resolder all those joints. Okay, and then the third thing, if you remember from my previous video, right here, you see we have some burning marks right there. So I'm gonna have to take those ones off, put new flux and new solder. I'll check which connections, but those two are for sure. Let me just zoom in. You can see how it's a little bit burned. Maybe this guy, you see around those legs. I'm not sure what they've done, but yeah, there is a little bit of burn. So this is the diagnostics on this controller. I don't think there is any other issues with this board. Everything else visually, usually with those control boards, you will see, like for example this chip, you will see, or here, you know, it's always usual, because I think it's 24 volts, and you know, all those small components, you'll right away see either a burning mark or a hole or something like that. So this is my video for this. This is part 2 for this commercial controller sprayer. I'll keep you posted on the parts and the availability on the video 3 once I get the parts, and then we can go from there. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.